welcome back to my channel. So this is such a random video. Basically, obviously it's Black Friday today. I'm hoping this video can go up today. I've never like filmed, edited and uploaded on the same day, and I think my biggest issue will be slow Wi-Fi, because I feel like I can have it edited, but then it depends on my Wi-Fi if it wants to upload it today. So basically I ordered like a huge ASOS package, and it was meant to come on Thursday, and I was going to do the haul on Thursday so I could have it up for you guys today. So I checked on the parcel yesterday, like I was going to track it, and then it said that the order was like failed or something, which is really annoying because like the confirmation came through and then they just cancelled it. So I don't know, it's fine. I reordered it, it's coming on Monday, so if you guys want to see what I got, I'll probably either do like an Instagram haul or just put it in a vlog or something. So I decided, okay, let me get ready and I'll do like a shop with me vlog, because I think that'll be fun. I'm gonna go to Trafford Centre. If you don't know, if you don't live in Manchester, Trafford Centre is like this huge shopping centre. They've got like pretty much everything in there. They've got Zahra, H&M, Stradivarius, Pull&Bear. I don't really go to anything else. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. I already have my outfit picked out. I'm wearing like this black blazer. I've really been into blazers and then just baggy jeans. I do have to shoot an outfit for a brand that I'm working with on Instagram. Oh, I'll just tell you what it is. It's Jack Wills. I've worked with them before on Instagram. They're really nice to work with. So basically in the brands will send you a brief. So it'll be like a file of everything, like the do's and don'ts to do in the picture. So like some companies that I've worked with are like, we want like a streetwear vibe, so try to do it in like a car park. But this is like outside in natural lighting, and it is raining and grey outside. And I need to have this picture to them by Monday. I don't know, we'll see if it clears up. I'm excited to shop. I love shopping. I just love buying clothes. I love looking at clothes. I love trying on clothes. I love it all. Also, it's Mari's birthday in December. I'm gonna go buy her presents as well. So I'm gonna get her a Monica Vinegar ring and an Adenola tote bag, because she really wants it. So I'm all dressed now and I'll show you my outfit. I really like it. It's very casual. I've just put my hair in a bun because it wasn't cooperating. I've got this white bodysuit on, this black blazer on. It's super oversized. It came with a tie actually, but I took it off. It's from Pull&Bear. It's got these nice brown buttons on it, and then these baggy jeans I wear all the time from Stradivarius. And then my new baby, I have a Chloe bag, you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this already. But yeah, alhamdulillah, it's my first designer purchase and I'm so happy with it. It's from Chloe's autumn winter collection from 2018, I believe. It's sold out everywhere, but it's just perfect for me. Like, it fits so much in. It fits like my camera in and everything. I am all ready to go. I did simple makeup. I have a new base routine, guys, and it makes my face really glowy and I really like it. I will be doing like a simple makeup routine in not the vlog coming on Sunday, but the one after that. But yeah, I'm gonna go now because it's quite late. I just came down to make my coffee, and I remember my mum bought me this. Like, someone at her work was going on about this coffee. I think it's from Aldi, but it looks like that. I'm gonna try it now. It's like a little sachet. She also got me this because she knows I drink peppermint tea every single day. So she was like, try this, it's got licorice in it. I had it yesterday. It's actually really nice. Oh, it's not great. I think if I put coffee in it, it would be nicer. I'm gonna put coffee in it. I need to quickly go actually, because it's gonna get really busy at the Trafford Centre. So I made it to Trafford Centre. I found really good parking. Saw a lady like coming out, so I was like, are you going? And she was like, yeah. So I took her place and I'm ready to shop. I think I'm gonna do Mari's presents first, so we'll go to Selfridges. Actually, I didn't make my smoothie in the morning and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna get a Boost. It's like a smoothie shop that they have in Trafford Centre. It's really nice. So I'm walking in now. It doesn't look busy at all. Well, obviously it's outside, but I thought there'd be way more people. Came straight to Monica Vinegar in Coach right now. I really wanted this bag for a long time. Also really liked this bag for a really long time. I still think they're really cute. I'm in H&M and members get 20% off. I'm gonna do some shopping. I've got all my H&M things here. I've gone for all neutral. They're all very casual. So look at this cardigan. I'm so excited to try this on. I hope it covers like my arm area, because then I think it would be really cute. But I'm going to try these all on and I'll show you. So this is everything I decided to keep. I've got 2 blazers in there, a really pretty cardigan, and these pants. I paired it with them. But I also think I can wear these with like an oversized sweatshirt, and then some pants and this cropped cardigan, which I'm gonna have to figure out how to style, but I really liked it. And then on my no pile, I'm not getting these. I absolutely love this top, but I can hear Mari shouting at me because of the neckline. She's gonna be like, that is way too low. Like, you can't see cleavage in it, but I love this. If you're okay with these necklines, H&M. It's really nice material as well, but it runs really big. Like, I would have to get an extra small because it was very big on me. This is really cute, but I have enough sweatshirts, don't need another one. This I thought was wide leg, but I didn't realize it's like cuffed, and they looked really funny. They look like the long johns that my granddad wears. And then this is really beautiful, but I just didn't want it. Shafa has the black version. She wears it to work. It's really nice. Just finished up in the Trafford Centre. Someone's waiting for me to get out of this car spot, so I gotta go. But I got my boost, so I'm really happy. And all my stuff is here. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I mainly just shopped at H&M, so I'm gonna do a huge H&M haul. It's 20% off everything. You had to be a member. It's really easy to become a member, and once you're a H&M member, you get such good discounts like all year round. So I got really nice things. I think everyone's gonna love them. Then at the end I'll show you what I got for Mari's birthday as well. That's what's in the Selfridges bag. So the first thing I got was this cropped cardigan. I just thought this looks so, I don't know, is elegant the right word choice? It just looks really cool on, and I actually think this would look really nice on a slip dress. Now I tried on the size small and I didn't like the fit of it. It was too like constricting, and the only other size they had is an extra large. I'm gonna try that on. If it doesn't look right, then I'll give it back. Just in case I didn't like this, I got another cropped item. I'm gonna try these on, by the way. It's not a cardigan though, it's just a jumper. And then I've seen people wear like vest tops under it, and I think it looks really cool. So I'm gonna try it on with the white vest top I'm wearing now and the jeans, because that's how I'd end up wearing it. But tell me which one you guys prefer, because I just want to keep one. I don't want two. They're kind of similar. This is what the cardigan looks like. I really like it. I'm actually kind of glad I got a really oversized size, because it just looks a lot cooler. Again, I think this would look really nice on top of dresses in the summertime, but obviously it's perfect for the winter as well. Okay, I'm really tempted to keep both, so you guys have to help me out. I think it would look good with cream pants, which I did buy as well. Bought cream pants as well, so I'm going to try it on with this like top half. So I got these really nice. I've really been into like baggy workwear pants, but just wearing them as casual wear with trainers. I think it looks so effortless and chic. But these are $24.99 and I got them in a size 10. I'll show you in the mirror so you can get a full length shot as well. But they just fit really nicely, and they're not see-through, which I like, even though they're a white colour. But I think this whole outfit's really cool. Here is a look at the full outfit. Then I got 2 blazers. I couldn't decide like which colour to get, but I think I'm going to keep both because I think I could style them both differently. One is this grey, very light grey colour, and I think it was this one. It says $34.99, but when she scanned it, it was like £12. So I was really gassed about that. They're very oversized, but they're really thick, so it's good for the winter. And this is in a size small, and you'll see how big it is. I just know I could style these in so many different ways. I can wear them with the pants I'm wearing right now, blue jeans, leather leggings, leather like trousers, joggers. I've seen people, I know like Sophia and Chintzia, they always wear like their blazers with joggers, and Molly May. But yeah, I'll try this on. I absolutely love it. So this is what the blazer looks like. I think the whole oversized look is so cool. Thought I'd show you in the mirror as well. They're not an exact match, the pants and the blazer, but I still really like it. And then this is the second blazer. It's such a dad blazer, very big, but it looks really cool on. So Mari just came in and my little sister just came in and she really likes the blazer, so that makes me happy. But yeah, oh guys, this is so cool. Last two things that I got from H&M. I'm going to show you together because I plan on wearing them together. It's this really long cardigan. It's like the cable knit, and it goes down to like above my knee. So soft, guys. I can't even explain how soft this is. Then I just got these wide leg jersey pants. I have black ones and I wear them all the time. This is probably my favorite outfit out of everything. It's so cozy. But it just looks like an outfit, like I don't look like a tramp. The wide leg pants look like super comfy, and then this is the cardigan. I'm gonna try find everything online and link it for you guys. So what I got Maria for her birthday from Selfridges, I got her a Monica vinegar ring. I'm not gonna open it, but I got her the same one that I have. Or the Monica Vinegar site has 25% off, so if you've ever wanted something from there, definitely check them out today. I've done a whole video, I think it's a vlog called my jewelry collection, so check that out because I have like talk about my necklaces and stuff. This is the ring that I got her. It's like this twisty one. It's really pretty. Then I got her Olympia by Paco Rabanne. It was on sale. I was gonna get myself one as well, but I was like, I'll just wait for my birthday. But yeah, this was 50 mil and I think it was like £46. And I got her the Adenola tote. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this all of my stories. Everyone kept asking me where it's from. It's from Adenola. I didn't know this brand existed until I saw it on Shopper, but they sell them in Selfridges. It's on sale. It's normally 30 and it's down to like £24, I think. But it's a really good tote. It's huge. Like Shopper had like everything in there. She wore it when we went to Cardiff the other day. So that is it for my little Black Friday shop with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of a different video from me, and I know it's not that long. Yeah, let me know if I should do more shop with me's in the future. The next video is coming up this Sunday because this was like a bonus video.